Welcome back everyone to our channel Learn Supply Chain Management. In our past videos, we learned about the basics and still we are on the basics itself. But the complexity of basics is getting higher and higher. We are moving on with the context of supply chain. So anyone new to this channel, please to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And feel free to visit the basics. It's better to start from the first. So my viewers, give out your ears. Let's begin. Before integrating SEM, I would like to ask, what is integration? Integration is something where we combine different activities to one structure. So you may ask, how did this help SEM activities? We're gonna see that now. In 1962, it was a fragmentation module of integration. 12 activities to one structure. Those were demand forecasting, purchasing, requirements planning, production planning, manufacturing inventory, warehousing, industrial packaging, finished goods inventory, distribution planning, order processing, transportation, customer services. These many activities to one structure. But as years passed by, we humans evolve. In that case, even SEM started evolving. 1982. These 12 activities were compressed to make it into 2 activities, materials management and physical distribution. But that was not the stop. 2003, every activities were shattered to make it into one solo head, that's called logistics management. So the integration of SEM was a very important part in supply chain context. Integration of SEM was just a solution for a time being, but this integration gave rise to many activities from within. That was materials management and physical distribution management. To say in a common words, materials management is the movement of goods from the supplier to the manufacturer and manufacturer to the retailers. And physical distribution is storing these materials, forwarding it to customers, the complete transportation flow. These are the common aspect of MM and PDF. As you can see this table, it's clearly defined the different activities of MM and PDF. Please go through. In previous slides, we saw the integrated logistics structure. And we have been told logistics comes under supply chain. So what is supply chain doing in these aspects? So here we are seeing supply chain network. Supply chain encompasses all organizations and activities associated with the flow and transformation of goods from the raw material stage through to the end user, as well as the associated information flows. So there are two flows, upstream and downstream. What comes in upstream? Raw materials, suppliers, manufacturer. This is upstream. So what is downstream? Distributor, retailer, consumer. And logistics act as an intermediate in all these activities. Supplying materials from raw material to supplier, we need a logistics department. A supplier to manufacturer, we need a logistics department. Manufacturer to distributor, we need a logistics department. Distributor to retailer, we need logistics department. And from retailer to consumer, we need logistics department. And if the customer is not happy with the product, he needs to return the product to the retailer, and the retailer to distributor, and distributor complains to manufacturer, and manufacturer to supplier for quantity, quality, and supplier to raw materials for giving low quality and quantity. There is a need for logistics department. So supply chain is a network with an intermediate called logistics. Okay guys, if you don't find a relevant understanding between these definitions or explanation, please do check out our blog. All the explanation and details are correctly given there. And if you need to download this presentation, please go through our link in description. Everything is detailedly mentioned.